Hello, welcome to everyone. Let's see the problem on quadratics topic, and the concept covered is the quadratic formula under the IGCSE ASCA level examination. Let's start the concept. What the formula is used in the quadratic formula topic. Yes, it's clearly that the quadratic formula. What would be the quadratic formula? If the quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, whereas a, b, c are some real numbers, then we can have a formula to find the value of x as minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Shall we proceed the problem related to the formula? Yeah. Word problem 1. The question is, a rectangle has sides of length x centimeter and 3x minus 2 centimeter, and the area is given as 63 centimeter square. We have to find the value of x square to three significant figures. Shall we move to the question? Move to the solution? Yeah, area of a rectangle is nothing but product of the length and the width. That one side of the length is x centimeter, then other side is represented as 3x minus 2. So product of x and 3x minus 2 gives the area. Okay, then area is given as 63. So substitute that 63. Then we can distribute x with 3x and minus 2. We get 3x square minus 2x equal to 63. And 63 can be passed on to the left side, right side, to make the equation as equal to 0. Now it is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Then can we find what is the value of a, b, c? Yeah, a is 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 63. Shall we substitute in the formula? Yeah, come on. Here inside the square root, 2 squared is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12 times 63. How can we find 12 times 63 in a simple way? Shall we see? 12, 63, 10 plus 12, then 630 plus 63 into 2, 3 to 6, 126. So by this way we can find 756. 756 plus 4 is 760. But we can't find the square root of 760 in easy way. Why? Why means it's a long biggest number. We can't find the square root easily. So shall we use the calculator for that? While we are using the calculator, we have to type the equation like the way. Open bracket 2 plus square root symbol 760, close the bracket, divided by 6. And then we can get, we require three significant figures. So 4.928 is rounded as 93. So 4 is a significant figure, 9 is a significant figure, 3 is a significant figure. So the answer is correct to three significant figures. Then the other value is 2 minus root of 760 by 6. But it is negative. Why it is negative? Because square root of 4 is less than square root of 760. Okay. So square root of 4 minus square root of 760 is negative. Therefore, that is 2 minus root of 760 is negative. So any negative number is divided by the positive numbers is again negative. But here x is the one side of the rectangle. So this is not possible because sides of the rectangle won't be a negative value. So in the conclusion, the value of x is 4.93 centimeter. As it's a variable, we no need to write the centimeter, but here x is a length of the side, so we can include the centimeter in our answer. Okay. Shall we proceed next problem? Yes. Rectangle A has a side of length x centimeter and 2x minus 4 centimeter. Rectangle B has a sides of length 1 plus x and 5 minus x centimeter. It's also given that rectangle A and B all have the same area. So find the value of x. That's the question. A1 is a product of x and 2x minus 4. A2 is a product of 1 plus x into 5 minus x. Then we can distribute them. We can equate them because they are given us both the areas are equal. Then we can distribute x with 2x and minus 4 and 1 plus x is distributed with 5 minus x. So x times 2x is 2x squared, x times minus 4 is minus 4x, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times minus x is minus x, x times 5 is 5x, and x times minus x is minus x squared. Then we can group the common terms. And we can get the as 3x squared minus 8x minus 5. In that a is 3 and b is negative 8 and c is negative 5. Then we can substitute the values over there. Okay, shall we find the value inside the square root? 8 8s are 64, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 5 is 60, 60 minus 6, 4, 16 minus 60 minus 8 times 8 is 64 minus of minus 60 we get plus 60 and over 6. So this would be the terms after this steps. Then inside the square root it is 124. Now shall we take off 144? 144 can be written as 4 times 31. So square root of 144 is square root of 4 times square root of 31. So square root of 4 is 2. So we can replace root of 124 as 2 times root of 31. Then the root of 31 is somewhat tedious to calculate. So we can use the calculator and we can type the equation like the way 4 plus root of 31 divided by 3 because 8 there is a 2 in 8 and also 2 root 31 there is a 2. Then 2 when we take common as 2 we that is cancelled with the denominator 6 and we get the simplified as 4 plus root of 31 by 3. The value is 3.19 which is correct to the 3 significant figure. Let's see the next answer, that is 4 minus 31. So for that y it is negative root of 16, that is 16 is less than 31. So root of 16 is less than root of 31. So root of 16 minus root of 31 is less than 0. So 4 minus root of 31 is less than 0. So any negative numbers divided by a positive number is also negative. But here x is a side of a rectangle A, one of the side of the rectangle A. So this is not impossible because side of the rectangle should not be the negative value. Then the required value is 3.19 because it is a side of a rectangle. So we can include the unit over here. Okay. And this session we have learned two problems which has the same methodology and we have used the same quadratic formula, but the formation of the question is little bit different. Okay. Okay, thank you.